So today's video is a skincare video. So you guys have seen obviously my last skincare routine video. You guys have seen my skincare favorites, and those are like products that I kind of loved through 2022, like pretty much use them for a few months at a time in the year and stuff like that. These are more current and what I've been using over the last month or couple of months, basically, as the winter has come in and Mumbai has become cooler. Yes, I know everybody in the north is sitting there and laughing right now and saying 20 degrees is not cold and is not winter. But guys, for us, this is winter. So yeah, with the winter coming in, I do like to switch things up. I like to use like heavier, thicker products that kind of give you more hydration. Add more moisture to the skin and yeah, give you that, you know, plump, happy feeling and not like dry, dull skin kind of feeling. So here are 5 products that are working for me right now. Number 1 on my list is this guy. So this is the SkinQ Sun Protect Ultra Light Gel. You guys have seen this on Instagram. I collaborated with them there. This is not part of the collab. This is just me actually sharing my love for the product. So you guys know I'm not a heavy sunscreen person at all. Like, I use sunscreen here and there, but I really like light sunscreens. Like, I can't do heavy, cakey, you know, full on white, like that white cast sunscreen is not me. This is amazing. You guys know before this, I was using the Isdin sunscreen, which you guys have seen through 2022. This is much cheaper than that. So if you're looking for a sasti behan or a cheaper alternative, this is amazing. Let me show you. So I'm going to put some on my hand here. You can see it's like any regular white cream sunscreen. The benefits of this has vitamin C, SPF 40, and it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. Lots of other like benefits if you read up on their site as well. Again, I'm not an expert on anything, guys. I'm just a normal person sharing what works for me. Also, please, everything I'm posting, try it, test it yourself and see what works for you. Okay. Now that that's done, I am putting on quite a bit just to show you how easily absorbed this gets and how little work is involved. Also, right now I have nothing on my skin other than my lip balm. So there's literally nothing on. We don't waste any sunscreen. We put it onto our arms. Okay, I'm coming closer so you can see. I hope I've got everything because I don't have a mirror here. Otherwise, the whole video I'm going to be sitting with sunblock. Ignore these 2 spots on my face, guys, because this is self-inflicted. Just as I was about to shoot this video, you know, when you go in front of the mirror and you're like, okay, let me put my lip balm and just check if everything's okay. I noticed 2 blackheads and I was like, and yeah, that's what that is. So I just could not help myself. But yeah, again, done. Feels like I've got nothing on my skin. It's not sticky at all. And you saw the amount that I put on. It wasn't like a tiny little pea size amount or anything. And it's just really gives you this very, you know, hydrated, nice feel. Like, even if you want to use this as a morning moisturizer come sunscreen, that's what I usually do. Like when I'm going for my morning walk, it works really well. Love it. Number 2 is this guy. This is the Sulwhasoo Overnight Vitalizing Mask. Now, you guys have seen me love the Sulwhasoo. I think it's called the Clarifying Mask, the peel-off one, which is amazing. In the winter, however, you do like that extra, as I said, hydration, and you want to like kind of lock everything in overnight. This is a very creamy, nice, like a cream mask that you put on. It's not heavy at all. It's kind of like I've replaced it with my LANEIGE mask, you know, the one I always use. I will put it here, the sleep mask. It's kind of light like that. So you put the serum on, you put this over that, and you know, you wake up in the morning, you wash it. It's just really light. It's like applying a cream, but all the benefits of a mask. Now, this is a little expensive. All the products I think in today's list are kind of expensive, slightly expensive. But the thing is, see guys, for me, I feel like when I work with products that work for me, I don't need to see a dermatologist. I don't really need to do much with my skin. Like, I don't do facials or other treatments. I haven't had anything in ages. So like, that's where I feel like I'd rather invest in good skincare, and that keeps me away from all the rest. But whatever works for you, you know, if you'd rather do those treatments and use like something that's more economical, I mean, that works as well. This is what I do, and I truly believe that if I invest in products that work for me, I need to do less, which is pretty much my skin through the pandemic. Like I've barely seen a dermatologist maybe 2-3 times, and that too for specific issues, you know, to go and get something checked. Otherwise, it's like my regular skincare is just products. So yeah, loving this. I use it maybe twice or thrice a week, depending on how my skin is feeling. When I want more like moisture, hydration, I use more of this. If it's feeling okay, maybe twice a week. But yeah, you just put it on like a cream, forget about it. It dries like this, like really quickly. Like the clarifying one takes like 15-20 minutes, I think, to dry, and then you peel it and whatever. This is just like using your nighttime skincare, and it works really, really well. Love it. Okay, look at this. Can you see that it is empty? I'm going to come here and focus on this. Can you see that this is empty? This is pretty much my favorite winter cream, I think. Like I love, love, love how the Glutaweis cream is in the winter. It's a thicker cream, and you guys have seen me talk about their products. I love their products. I've used a lot of their products. I'm a big fan of the face wash all year round. And this in the winter feels amazing. So it has pretty much everything your skin needs in terms of a night cream, like a good night cream. You guys know I'm a night cream person. I don't like to do a lot of skincare in the morning, and like usually, like right now, I'm just using the sunblock and done, because I want that hydration and the sun protection. Normally, I would just use my HA serum and a light moisturizer at times, or nothing. So I really like that heavy cream at night, because that is my skincare time for me as a 36-year-old that also has to do some anti-aging now. So I really like this for that. It's a nice, thick, luscious cream that you feel like you put cream. You know, like how we used to put a solid layer of cream in the winter, like when we were kids, this feels like that. And I just love, like when you dig into that pot, it feels so good. I have finished this whole big one. I have a tiny pot, which I'm going to dig into now, because I just can't stop using this. Like, I love it. Now, even if it's winter, exfoliation is a must. Okay, you guys know I love a good scrub. Just discovered this a few months ago. This is the L'Occitane shower scrub. I'm not going to try and use the French names for you. That's for you to find out and read. This is really, really good. So it's a really light scrub. Again, it's not very harsh. And what I love is, like, I just, in the shower, it takes me 2 minutes. I use a tiny pea-size amount, spread it across my body. You don't need a loofah. You don't need anything. You just scrub, 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 scrub. And all that dead skin, dry skin, which you have a lot of obviously in the winter as well, all just comes off. And this is something I've been doing maybe once or twice a week in the shower. So instead of using my soap, I just use this, and boom, this is amazing. Again, I feel like for me, scrubs are something I really, really love all year round. Like I like to use, like, this is something you can even use in summer because it's really light. It's not like heavy or very harsh. And yeah, I really enjoy a good body scrub, and this one is great. I think it's light enough to even use on your face. Actually, I haven't really used it on my face, but I think you could. Yeah, I mean, try it. Obviously, try everything. Don't take my word for anything. Try it and see what works for you guys. But I really feel like for me, this works. I love it on my body. Then we have this little cube. Okay, how cute is this? This is the LANEIGE blue hyaluronic cream. So there are different colors for different types of skin. I use the one which is the combination to oily skin, because I usually have a T-zone that's quite oily. So even though it's winter, I started with this one because right now my skin's not that oily. So after I finished my Glutaweis one, I thought let me use this in between because it's not too big. And let me come in closer to show you this. It's a very like jelly-like consistency, and it's kind of like the LANEIGE sleep mask, except for this is more like in the moisturizer format. Would work really well even if you want to use AM, PM as a light moisturizer, because it's really light. And this is something you can continue into summer as well because it's light. So really, I know I've said the word light many times. Take a shot every time I say the word light, and heavy actually, because I've said light, heavy, light, heavy, light. Love, love, love this. Again, LANEIGE is something, I feel like Korean skincare I really enjoy now. Sulwhasoo, LANEIGE are all brands that I mix with other stuff that I use. But it's all about layering with Korean skincare, right? Like, of course, they have like ridiculous number of layers. I don't do that many, but I like to do my serum and then my cream and sometimes now the mask as well. And it works really well together. Like, it gives you like a really glowy, dewy finish the next morning. This also has my favorite HA. So yeah, loving this lately. I know I said top 5, but there's a bonus item. Are you ready? It's my Luca's Papaw ointment. Now, nobody is paying me to promote Luca's. You know, somebody sent me a screenshot from a video from 8 years ago where I had used Luca's when I went to Australia the first time. Imagine. I've been a fan of this product for a really long time, guys. I'm not so fond of it in the summer, honestly, but in the winter, it is like magic because it's nice and thick and it's great as a lip balm. Like every night, I just apply this on my lips, literally in bed, and I do it multiple times also. There's no issue with it. And it's also really great on dry skin. So like your elbows, you know, where you feel like that extreme dry skin is there. Or if you feel like you've got a small cut or blisters or those kind of things, like it's like those, as I've said many times, it's a magical cream. And I know I said top 5, but I felt like if I'm doing winter skincare, and I don't talk about this yet again, I know I've spoken about it a lot, it would not be correct because right now I'm using this like everywhere. You know, it's like one of those all-purpose situations and it's really handy to have in the winter and it's really, really good. So Luca's, I love you. So guys, those were all the products that I am currently loving. As I said, winter skincare, summer skincare is a little different, especially in a place like Mumbai because it's really humid, right? And even in the winter, our winter is not like winter, yes, where it's like really cold, but it is colder. So you kind of have to tweak your skincare a bit to give it like a little extra hydration. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with your current skincare favorites for winter and your skin type. So if someone has like the similar type of skin, they can try them. See you guys. Bye.